Welcome to our complete walkthrough on how to make individual income tax payments online in Sri Lanka using Sampath Vishwa. Before we begin, make sure you have your Sampath Vishwa Retail credentials ready, including your active online banking username and password. Also, have access to your registered mobile phone or email to receive one-time passwords. You'll need your official 9-digit taxpayer identification number and the correct payment period code and tax type for the tax year or quarter you're paying for. To start, open your desktop browser and go to www.sampathvishwa.com or use the mobile app. Enter your username and password, and always check for the secure icon in your browser before submitting your details. Once logged in, head to the main navigation bar and click on the Bill Payments tab. Then, select the Government Payments category to filter all the statutory and state revenue payment options. In the Government Payments search field, type Inland Revenue Department or IRD. From the search results, select the official IRD biller to open the payment portal. Next, you'll be asked to request an authentication code. Choose whether to receive it on your registered mobile number or email. Enter the 6-digit OTP you receive and click Verify to proceed. Now, enter your 9-digit taxpayer identification number without spaces. Select the tax type relevant to your payment, such as individual income tax, and input the 5-digit payment period code for your assessment year. Review the payment details that appear for your selected period. Enter the exact tax amount in Sri Lankan rupees, ensure you have sufficient funds, and then click Pay or Submit to complete the transaction. After your payment is successful, a confirmation banner will appear. Click the Print or Download button immediately to save your official PDF receipt. Keep this receipt safe for your IRD RAMIS online tax return submission. If you happen to miss saving the receipt right away, you can go back to the main banking menu and access payment history. Filter by government payments, find your transaction, and download the payment voucher anytime you need it. Remember to make separate payments for each period code and never combine multiple periods in one transaction. Always double-check your 9-digit TIN and 5-digit period code before paying. When filing your annual return, enter the payment date and amount in Schedule 9B on the IRD portal for reconciliation. Thanks for watching this guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tax and financial tutorials.